Choosing a career path can be daunting. One day you're sitting in a high school classroom with your friends, and the next day someone's asking you what you want to do for the rest of your life. With so many available options, the decisions can be overwhelming. An advanced manufacturing career at Eastman could be your pathway to a lifetime of opportunities. As a member of Eastman team, you'll be able to problem solve, work with your hands, and make life better for millions of people around the world. As a process operator, you'll be responsible for monitoring, controlling, and maintaining production equipment. As a maintenance mechanic, you'll repair and perform routine maintenance on equipment throughout the plant. And as a lab analyst, you'll test raw materials and product samples. And those are just a few of the jobs available to you. But don't take our word for it. Let's hear what our employees have to say.
I really want to do this as a career. Like, I am 100% sure this shop has made me want to better myself as a machinist, and it has made me want to make a career out of it.
The work out here is just so different. It's just mind-opening, life-changing, and I can almost say it's almost easy, but I don't want to say that, you know. Eastman is one of those companies where you can just get your foot in the door and just grow. If someone is blessed enough, like as I was, to receive the scholarship, it'll be life-changing. It really will be.
I get to work with my friends. We get to come in here and do cool stuff all day, and I enjoy welding. At the end of the day, they don't want anybody to get hurt. They want this stuff to get done, but they don't want you not to be able to go home and be with your family.
One thing that I've realized about working here is that Eastman takes safety top priority. They make everything. Before you do anything, you gotta be sure you're safe. That's one thing that they take really serious around here. Be ready to learn, be open-minded, ask a bunch of questions. So there's a lot to learn out here, and that's what's fun about it. You're always gonna be learning something out here, and that's what's good.
And the best part is, you don't need a 4-year degree to get started.
I applied for the scholarship and I got it, so at 16 I graduated and decided to come here since I only had to do 2 years of school. I needed to start, need to provide for my daughter. Don't be overwhelmed that anything you need to learn, you'll be taught. I had no idea what to do, but everything you need to know, you're taught. No one tells you to go do something without going with you or having shown you how to do that. And I would say make sure you go to school, because attendance is a big thing, and get good grades.
Our apprentice programs will equip you with the knowledge and skills necessary to support safe and reliable operations. You'll spend 3 to 4 years in the apprenticeship program, completing self-study and instructor-led training, as well as job-related training specific to your work area. You'll receive a competitive wage on day 1 and have the opportunity for wage increases as you reach important training milestones. After completing the apprentice program, you'll continue to receive support from your leaders and more experienced colleagues throughout your career, and you'll make a difference. At Eastman, creating a more sustainable world is our business. We believe in using our skills to keep single-use plastic out of landfills and give new life to the most complex waste plastics. As demand grows for products that have sustainable life cycles, Eastman continues to build on our heritage of world-class technology platforms and product innovations to deliver solutions. Through our products and technologies, we're determined to transform tomorrow by revolutionizing the materials that shape it today. If you want to work for a company that's changing the world, don't wait. Take the first step toward a rewarding advanced manufacturing career by applying online at jobs.eastman.com.